Okay, today Max is here and is teaching Sophia how to make mayonnaise. Okay, we have here lemon juice. We pressed lemon juice, 100 milliliters. Well, how many lemons? 2 lemons.
Yes.
And then 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of mustard, and then 3 egg yolk. Okay, and then we're using olive oil. And now Max is gonna take over in that sequence how to make the mayonnaise, and Sophia is learning. Okay, Sophie, come a little closer. Come a little closer, Sophie.
Because it will block the way.
No. And then, oh, he puts the lemon juice first and then the sugar. And here's a spoon here. And then he puts the egg in there, yeah, 3 egg yolk. Very good.
And then to fill up.
Oh, you fill up the rest with olive oil, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a lot of oil, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. As you said, coconut oil is not good, huh?
No, the taste of the coconut oil is too intensive for coconut.
Uh-huh.
So much better corn oil or olive oil.
Yeah. So how many milliliters is this now altogether?
Altogether, it becomes 700 ml.
Uh-huh. 700 milliliters. And then we need 2 glass containers to fill them up, huh? Mayonnaise. We make our own mayonnaise, huh, Sophie?
If everything is in the mixing bowl, I enter and try that no air is upon the knife.
Oh, there is no air bubbles in the knife on the bottom of the
Yeah.
machine. Okay.
Then I go down to the bottom of the glass
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
and full power. Then I start
Where's full power?
here.
Number.
Oh, okay,
600
okay.
watts.
Okay.
Then I start and you will see how the mayonnaise on the bottom of the glass will become created.
Oh my God, yeah.
First I keep on mixing on the bottom, so the sugar and the mustard will be right mixed.
Mm-hmm.
And now I lift up the mixer
Ah, you're coming up a little bit, huh?
and the mayonnaise is coming up as the oil become mixed with the rest of the ingredients.
Ah, he's pulling up the mixer. And and then he goes sideways. Interesting.
And then I mix as long as there is oil on top.
There's still a little oil on top on the side. Yeah, I can see.
And you need to, I only look that I don't catch the air to mix it inside. So
Okay.
the knife is only.
So the air, if you put air bubbles in there, it's no good.
Yes, because maybe it expires early if there is air inside.
Ah, okay. It doesn't last as long.
So down again and up, so it really becomes right mix.
Oh, that's interesting.
Okay.
So,
now-
Sophie, next time, you're gonna make mayonnaise. I love it. Huh?
Now no more oil on top.
Yeah. And then?
I can stop. It's finished.
Uh-huh.
And this time the mayonnaise is liquid because all the ingredients have room temperature.
Room temperature. Yeah.
And that's also important if you make mayonnaise that all ingredients have almost same temperature.
Also room temperature, all ingredients. Oh, okay. And then when you put it in the refrigerator, it'll become harder.
It become harder, yes.
Oh, okay, good. So I think that's it, huh?
Taste it.
Oh, Sophie
No?
can taste it. No, everybody can
Only
taste it.
this
Yeah,
one.
taste it.
Yummy.
Can I taste it? I want to taste it for my next sandwich. Oh,
Parang ang daming lemon.
no, it is a little bit sweet also, huh?
Sweet and with lemon.
Delicious.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah,
You can
you can make a super sandwich.
I can.
Well, anyway, guys, thank you so much. Thank you, Max. And thank you for the machine. I appreciate it. Huh, Sophie? Now we can make mayonnaise. All right.